Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword, it's a way of life for many of us trying to make greener choices. Even when it comes to something as basic as a mattress, we want options that are kind to the planet. IKEA claims to be a leader in affordable and eco-conscious products. But is their mattress range truly as green as they say? In this video, we'll explore IKEA's sustainability practices, focusing on materials, manufacturing, certifications, and how they compare to competitors. By the end, you'll know if an IKEA mattress deserves a place in your eco-friendly home. Let's get started. 1. IKEA's sustainability commitment. IKEA has set an ambitious goal to become climate positive by 2030. That's a big promise, involving everything from reducing supply chain emissions to using renewable energy and creating products designed for reuse or recycling. When it comes to mattresses, IKEA incorporates recycled materials and renewable resources. For example, many production facilities now run on renewable energy, and they prioritize circular design principles to cut down on waste. But how does all this translate to the mattress on your bed? Are their claims as sturdy as their flat-pack furniture? Let's dig deeper. 2. Materials used in IKEA mattresses. Many IKEA mattresses boast materials like natural latex and recycled polyester, which are better for the environment than traditional options. Plus, models with certifications like OEKO-TEX ensure low chemical emissions, which is good for your health and the planet. But here's the flip side. Some mattresses still rely on non-biodegradable foams. While IKEA has made progress, they haven't completely eliminated less eco-friendly materials from their range. This blend of innovation and compromise highlights their ongoing challenge, balancing affordability with sustainability. 3. Production and circularity. Here's where IKEA really stands out. They've made impressive strides in energy efficiency by using renewable power across many of their factories. Their circularity efforts are also worth noting. IKEA offers mattress recycling services to help divert waste from landfills and incorporates old materials into new products. But is this enough? Compared to premium eco-brands, IKEA's circularity efforts are still in the early stages. Scaling these initiatives across their massive production lines is a daunting task. That said, it's refreshing to see a budget-friendly brand taking meaningful steps in the right direction. 4. Comparisons with competitors. When it comes to sustainability, IKEA finds itself in an interesting spot. Brands like Avocado or Casper often outperform IKEA in areas like biodegradable materials and carbon neutrality. But let's face it, these brands come with premium price tags that not everyone can afford. This is where IKEA shines. They provide an affordable middle ground, offering mattresses with reasonable eco-friendly features that make sustainable choices accessible to more people. For budget-conscious buyers, this balance is a big win. 5. Certifications and consumer trust. Certifications can tell us a lot about how seriously a company takes sustainability, and IKEA delivers here. Green labels like OEKO-TEX and FSC show their commitment to safety and responsible sourcing. Even better, customer reviews often back these claims. Many buyers appreciate the combination of affordability and sustainability, especially when it comes with the reassurance of trusted certifications. 6. Tips for eco-conscious buyers. If you're considering an IKEA mattress and want to make the greenest choice, here's what to look for. Prioritize models made with recycled or natural materials and take advantage of IKEA's mattress recycling service when it's time to replace your old one. These small actions ensure your purchase stays as eco-friendly as possible from start to finish. So, are IKEA mattresses truly eco-friendly? While there's still room for improvement, particularly in moving away from non-biodegradable materials, IKEA has made meaningful strides towards sustainability. For budget-conscious buyers, they strike a solid balance between affordability and environmental responsibility.